Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Anthony. You are welcome to First Aid Immigrant Solution. So if in case you never subscribe, more and don't forget to click the subscribe button wey dey down so that anytime where I upload new video, it go show for on phone or any other thing wey una take dey watch me from. So more and don't forget to. Thank you. So the topic where I want to talk for today now, subsidiary protection. So if you know say you never fair watch my previous video where I dropped last time, which was international protection, which is asylum. Mona go fair go watch that one because many people they ask of political protection or international protection. They don't know the way the thing take dey function. Now it make me come say me I come break am into segment for us so that more for understand. So if you dey ask for international protection, which is many people they call it asilo politico. Wetin you dey ask na asilo politico. So e get different stages where all any of our story dey pass before they can give you paper. So if your story fall for under political asylum, which is asilo politico, they'll give you the first one, which is the highest of all, with 5 years, and you fit ask for passport after 5 years. But this one now, if your story not come fall under the previous video, which is asylum, they'll come look into this one where I want also, which is subsidiary protection. Subsidiary protection means say secondary protection or supplementary protection. And the one where you see they follow asylum. Now the brother to asilo politico now be this. The reason why they be brother be say now 5 years document that they give for both of them. And the only difference between that one and this one be say this one now, which is subsidiary protection, now after 10 years resident, now you fit apply for passport. Now only this one be the only difference. So every other thing again wey still dey different be say the passport of this one are green, while that of UN, which is asilo, na archis color if you dey Italy. So wetin be the thing wey they take dey know say your story fall under this category now I wan explain. So if your story know say e carry weight wey they call your bottom line of your story carry weight wey they call say if they carry you go back to your country, you take a risk of you will face maybe like death penalty, or you face execution, or you face any torture or any other inhuman and other degrading treatment, or somebody go see threaten your life. If you did such a situation or conflict dey the region or the state where you for come, if you dey any of this category where I don't mention, so na end of it give you this subsidiary protection. But if your story not fall for any of this, they not go give you, they'll still go down to the next protection where I go talk for the other video, which is humanitarian, where it can be now later be special case for Italy. So how you obtain know say your story fall for this subsidiary protection? That means say if you talk story where you can't end with say they want kill your life, or you talk story where you end say they torture you for your story, or you talk story where you end say the life or war dey your state, or conflict or group of ethnic group they fight for the state where you go, so they fit give you this protection wey they call subsidiary protection. So this subsidiary protection they'll fit give you for commission or court. So now these two people that go fit give you. So before they give you this protection, you make sure say your story dey under this condition where I don't mention says. But if your story not fall for this condition, you not dey in line with this torture, conflict, or this death sentence or death penalty where I don't mention says, they not give you, they'll come go below to humanitarian or special case. So the document whether they give, if they grant you now 5 years document, and they'll still give you traveling document whether they call titolo de viaggio, and now still 5 years too. The color will be na green. So while that of the previous one where I first talked before, which is asylum, that one na archis color. So the only way wey dem still take give you this travelling document, if your consulate or the country where you for come, they say dem no give you your passport. If they say dem give you your passport, you fit still use your country passport alongside with the permit of stay wey dem give you. So wetin be the advantage of this subsidiary protection? The subsidiary protection, the advantage of be say you get health advantage. You fit go hospital, they'll treat you, do every other thing. You fit still do any public employment. You fit get access to any educational or any other benefit like social service for this Italy. Then you still fit invite your family come for Africa if you know say you get family like papa, mama, or brothers or sister. Wetin oyibo dey call family reunification. So you fit still use this protection to bring am without dem no ask for any measurement whether you get where you dey stay or not. But if you wan apply for this document after dem don grant am, you must go police station. So na police station go give you this document. After dem don give you this document, if you get resident and after your resident don reach 10 years, if you are working, you fit still apply for this Italian citizenship. So if you no wan apply for Italian citizenship but you fit still stay for Italy and the document dey renewable, dem dey renew am if e expire, you no need to demonstrate whether you dey work or not, as long say you get your decision of your commission or court say your life is at risk, na make dem give you the protection. But if after all this dem will still give you the document, dem dey renew am gradually by gradually. So e good say where we dey make am well, because of say tomorrow we no know how e wan be. Na e good make we dey see the need for us who will still work if you get this document, so that if you work, if you wan apply for passport, e go dey more easier. So if you wan still take care of yourself, e go still dey more easier. So na here be this subsidiary protection for end. So if una get any question, una no forget, una leave una comment for down. So if I read any comment, so I go see answer una in my next video. So una no forget. So many people still dey ask me say how dem take dey know say na subsidiary protection na dem give me. The wetin you go take know say dem must add this law, which is legislative decree of 19 November 2007. So this 2007 say the number of the law na 251, which is 251. If they write am put for your story for the result of your commission, mean say you get this protection. So they come still modify am in the 2014. So that one your lawyer fit still explain am for you, or anybody wey dey follow you for your camp wey you dey fit still explain am for you. So una no forget to go subscribe. Thank you very much. I see you for my next video. Bye bye you.